Hi guys, welcome back to Laila Some Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make my vegetable pulao easy and quick. And for the recipe I have my basmati rice soaking. It's been half an hour in just warm water. And so for the vegetables I'm using a red bell pepper or capsicum dice, also carrots dice. We have some chopped coriander. I'm not gonna use all of that. This is a little bit too much, and that's for another recipe as well. I'm gonna just use half of this. We need some green chilies, chopped onion, finely sliced or chopped, and then we need some potatoes cut into very small, like dice size or bite size, and then we need some spices, which is coriander powder, salt, chili powder is optional, you don't have to, cumin seeds, a little piece of cinnamon stick, green cardamoms, and bay leaf. We need some oil preheating in my pan, and we also need some ginger and garlic paste. So to begin, let's go to the stove. Over medium high, let's add the potatoes, and we're gonna fry this for like 5 minutes. Remove the potatoes, put it in the same bowl. Now I'm gonna add bay leaf to the same oil, cinnamon stick, and cumin seeds. Add the onion, and we're gonna cook the onion until a little bit light brown color. Now I'm gonna add ginger, just half teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and stir. Also add the coriander, salt, and chili. Add the vegetables. Mix. Heat is over medium high. After 3 minutes cooking, now add the potatoes back in. And then we're gonna give this a stir, and also add the green chilies. Give it a stir and give it about 2 minutes. Now add the rice. I have already drained the water, and give this a good mix. So make sure everything combine, all the spice, the veggies. And now I'm gonna add vegetable stock or vegetable broth, or you can add just water. And at this time you can taste your salt. If you need more salt, just add a little bit more. And now I'm just gonna partially cover the pan. Not gonna cover it completely, just like that. And then over high heat, actually let it cook. It's been 40 minutes and my vegetable pulao is looking gorgeous. Everything has been cooked, and now we're gonna add some chopped coriander. As usual, the kitchen is smelling so beautiful. I was gonna say beautiful, smelling so good. This rice is so delightful. I'm gonna go serve this with chicken curry. You can serve this with any curry, meat curry, chicken curry, fish curry. This is just beautiful. This is just gorgeous. This is just, I can't tell you how good the kitchen is smelling, and obviously this tastes so good. You're gonna have to make it to know how good this tastes. See the smoke. This just came out from the stove, and I can't wait to go dig into it. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. Let me know if you like it in the comment section down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.